Jamaica has a very rich and vibrant heritage. It makes us special. It refers to the customs and tradition handed down to us over many years. It is a reflection of our past. Jamaica's population has many ethnic groups that came to us mainly from Africa, Asia, and Europe. They also came with their religious beliefs and practices. All of this is a mirror of our values, attitude, and behavior. Our cultural heritage can be seen everywhere. There is evidence in our foods, our stories, dress, our style of buildings, and our language.
From you know, say you're proud for the Jamaican. Beat up on cover and run up and down. Langa, 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 langa. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica. We have figured the law. We are Jamaica. Tell me if I'm wrong. We are Jamaica. Help me sing the song.
Jamaica. Therefore, we must develop, sustain, and pass this legacy on to the future generation. We must keep it alive in our painting, our sculpture, our dance, music, our sports, our literature, and our drama.
From you know, say you're proud for the Jamaican. Beat up on cover and run up and down. Langa, 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 langa. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica. We have figured the law. We are Jamaica. Tell me if I'm wrong. We are Jamaica. Help me sing the song.
Today, class, I will be speaking about the festivals in Jamaica. We have jerk festivals, jazz festivals, yam festivals, seafood festivals, Bob Marley Week, a compound maroon festival, reggae sum fest, Milk River seafood and jerk festivals, African Jam Fest, Christmas Grand Market, Jamaican African dance, arts and cultural festivals, Jamaica food and drink festivals.
From you know, say you're proud for the Jamaican. Beat up on cover and run up and down. Langa, 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 langa. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica. We have figured the law. We are Jamaica.
We promote to tell everyone about our culture and our festivals. We do this so that when people from other countries come to visit, they know what our culture is all about and what are our festivals. When we promote our culture, it attracts people. When people are attracted, they often do something about it. A person would save up money and come to Jamaica. It will benefit the country. The person that is selling is going to get money to provide basic needs, for example, foods, clothes, and water. The people would fly on a plane to come to Jamaica to enjoy themselves. The country would be able to buy things that we don't have but we need, like medicine, laptop, television, Wi-Fi, books.
From you know, say you're proud for the Jamaican. Beat up on cover and run up and down. Langa, 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 langa. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica.
It might seem inconsequential, but music can definitely have a powerful impact on both the culture from which it is born and the society into which it is released. Not only do music and rhythm have powerful impacts on how humans perceive the world, but the same influences can be applied in countless different ways. Music is part of our culture because the rhythm of the music affects the humans to let them think what the singer says. We can send messages through songs.
From you know, say you're proud to be a Jamaican. Beat up and cover and run up and down. Lang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang, yeah. We are Jamaica. More than 50 years strong. We are Jamaica. We have to get along. We are Jamaica. Tell me if I'm wrong. We are Jamaica. Help me sing the song. On August 6th, 1962, black, green and gold, red, white and blue. Say bye-bye to the Queen and the Union Jack. Forward ever, never looking back. Rough hot cover of the beat for that. Bang, balang, balang, balang. Hey! Jamaica dominate the scenes. Reggae music to music queens. Us a pose, selfie we self. We real to the core, not be nobody else. We live up the large and we set no record. Jamaica salon, put home and abroad. We are Jamaica. We are Jamaica. We have to get along. We are Jamaica. We are Jamaica. Telling you we are one big family, no matter where you come from. True royalty. Be the kings and queens that we are. Every Jamaican is a superstar. Hot cover of the beat for that. Bang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Hey! Celebrate with your joyous shouts from we yard. Straight up to Gordon House. One mind, one faith, one vision. Get on the right track with the one mission. Can't stop till we reach the goal, heart and soul. Jamaica take over the world. We are Jamaica. Forward as one. We are Jamaica. Tears to come. We are Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Through the years of toil and sweat, with hard work we will never forget the high price for being free. Heroes fought for our victory. From the east, west, north and south, beat upon
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father. Grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be us forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica.